Hello, everybody. Kaipachi here with opportunity knocks. Yes, indeed. I want to tell you a little bit about this workshop that I'm offering in October on relationships, partnerships, synastry, okay, composite charts. We're just going to be looking at Mars and Venus, the masculine and the feminine, the god and the goddess, the anima and the animus, the yin and the yang, what I put out and what I want to bring in. I mean, these are all super unique for each one of us. There's 12 different signs. You got 12 different Venuses, 12 different Marses, and they're in aspect to Uranus or Pluto or Neptune, or in different houses. So each and every single one of us, according to our soul history, according to our past lives, according to our purpose for this life, is going to be attracted to, is going to attract different partnerships, different relationships. Some of us are resolving past life relationship, karma. Some of us are ready and inviting in, new forms of divine masculine, divine feminine, sacred sexuality. We're going to be looking at the whole ball of wax. Yeah. And Dragonfly Village. Now, if you haven't been to Bali, it's amazing. If you've been to Bali and you haven't been to Dragonfly Village, it's amazing. They've got the swimming pool, sauna, a wet sauna right there. We're going to be doing water blessings. We're all going to be hiking up at 2 o'clock in the morning. We're going to climb up to the top of Mount Batur, an active volcano, and we're going to watch the sunrise as part of this transformative 8-day workshop event. It's October 19th to the 26th. I will be going through people's charts. We will be looking at, you want to bring the charts of, your partner, past partners, okay? Or if you're single and you can look at what you want to be attracting, drawing into your life. This is going to be the workshop of workshops. It's absolutely amazing. Check out the link below this video. For all the details. I got the whole schedule all laid out. We're going to be doing Kundalini yoga. You're going to be doing breath work. We're water blessing, a Balinese performance. I mean, it's wow. And the food at Dragonfly Village is amazing. So if you are ready to delve into yourself, and that's the other thing, it's all yourself. Relationships are a little challenging these days, not only technology and social media and everything, but the process is really on individuation. Like, people are getting more and more, I don't know, in some ways relationships challenge us. They stretch us. And, there's not as much of a willingness these days in this age of Aquarius to just really I'll be what you want me to be. That's almost like old school. Like, nobody wants to be what somebody else wants them to be. Everybody's really into, So the thing about relationship and partnership, the more intimate it is, it shows you your shadow. So relationship work is shadow work. And people bring up and bring out. They trigger us. They trigger our childhood experiences. They trigger our past life experiences. And, so relationship, as well as being challenging, it is also the arena of massive evolutionary leaps. Like, we can really see ourselves. We can know our unconscious shadow stuff, and we can progress down that evolutionary path, okay, twice as fast. It's amazing. So it's really, this is really powerful work. Relationship work is really powerful work. I would love to see you there. Wishing you the best. Namaste. Aloha. So much love.